this is my yard so far. We were hit with about 3 hurricanes this year. Unfortunately, my jackfruits got wiped, but they're growing. Leaves have been dropped off as far as majority of our trees goes. But I went ahead and added a flower bed in one of my areas here, and I do not recommend doing it this way because it is backbreaking. Basically, I took out the sod and I got it down to the soil. There was lots of rocks that I came across, and it was very painful, laborious. I mean, it looks good, and I put that border. You can see that border so that the grass doesn't encroach into that area. And yeah, I put some more jackfruits there. So we'll see how they progress in the next coming year. But I'm going to add a new flower bed here. If you notice, I've already dug some holes where the flowers will actually go to. And there you could see one of my other jackfruits. Here I put an edge so that I've already disconnected the sod to make sure that it doesn't creep into where the mulch will be. So yeah, so let's get to work. It will take a few weeks before that underlying sod will be no longer growing, but I've also held off on planting flowers for now, only because I'm not certain which ones to plant. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please make a comment. Obviously, if you got something out of this, like and subscribe to help the channel out. Hopefully you're doing well. Take care. God bless, and we'll see you soon. Take care.